All right, good morning, everybody. So, as you got in your email yesterday, we have decided to push the test a day. So, today you have two things to do. Well, three things to do. Number one is the attendance quiz. So, that's right here. And let me explain a couple things. So, first of all, yes, you're here, you're watching this video. I made a bunch of practice quizzes, and the question here says, should I do the practice quizzes more than one time? The answer is yes. Here is why. If you take them more than once, they are pulling from a field of questions, which means that the more often you take them, the more of the possible types and um, variations of test questions you will see. So this is about studying for the test. It's not just about getting extra credit, although you do get extra credit. So between you'll see more questions if you take it more, and meh, you better put this one. There you go. Um, this is what we have. After the attendance quiz, I created a review page, and if you click on this, it takes you to this. So, um, get help with different topics by clicking below. Each quiz is worth 2 extra credit points. The kicker, and this should get your attention, is that these are test extra credit points. So this is 6 different little quizzes. Each quiz has 5 questions. Each quiz is worth 2 extra credit test points. So if you do all 6 of them, that's over one mastery quiz that you're getting as extra credit in the test category. So that will definitely help your grade. Each quiz has 5 questions, and if you take it a second time, those questions will not be the same. Okay? Here is some stuff that might be even more important or more helpful. I know there was a lot of trouble with the mirrors and lenses recently. I made tutorial videos on how to do each different type. I go through every possible situation, the location, orientation, size, and type. So I won't play this whole thing, but I go through everything for you. So, and I've listed the length so you know how long each one is going to be so you can kind of estimate how much time you're going to use. This right here is the color mixing interactive. It's got the concept builder for the t-shirts. I'll just remind you what it looks like. I encourage you to go brush up on this as well. It is this one, okay? Actually, there's going to be more added to this. This is a slightly different version. I apologize. This is a slightly different version of the color mixing, but it'll actually be good practice because you haven't seen all of it. I'm going to add the t-shirt mixing one as well. These are some resources I put together that you can actually use on the test. So for example, the EM Spectrum Quizlet, the parts of the eye Quizlet that we already used, the color wheel. If you click on this, this is a quick place where you can go to get all the combinations of the primary colors of light. This one right here, I made a chart that has all of the lost descriptions for every image produced by a converging lens, diverging lens, concave lens, and convex lens. Okay, I'm going to be adding resources here underneath help videos and things to be used on the test. These are just what I have so far, and you might see some of these move around in terms of where they are. This page is where you want to spend your time today, unless you're behind. If you're behind, you also want to use today to catch up on things. The whole point of pushing the test was that these last 2 days were a little bit tough. We recognize that, and we want to give you some more time so that you make sure you're absolutely ready for the test. So now your test will be on Friday for day 2 and next Monday for day 1. Good luck.